Horses out. We've got number 6 out of the blue. Past the begin, moving up on the outs. Now the 4s. Down on the inside, My Little Grace. That's My Way. Corduo moving up. Mirabal alongside Toan. It's out of the blue. Adhika in Ubuntu. And Brian's Girl. And going along for the first turn, we have the Force by about 4 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Corduo. And on the outside, That's My Way. In the middle, My Little Grace. 4 lengths away in fifth. Moving up now out of the blue, Mirabal Towanitsa. Adhika in. And number 7, that's Ubuntu. Brian's Girl. They swing into the back. The Force by only 3 for Balenka. That's My Way. Trying to get closer in second. Corduo in third. Mirabal. Then comes out of the blue. Toan. It's down on the inside. And it's still the Force by Auralenka. That's My Way remains in second. Corduo in third. Mirabal. Then followed by out of the blue. Toan. It's also moving up. But the Force still this time by about 2.5 lengths. That's My Way in second. Corduo moving up. Mirabal. Toan. It's last 150. We have the Force by about 4 lengths now. That's My Way remains in second. And nearing the finish line, it's all for the Force. Second, That's My Way. Toan. It's Corduo, Mirabal, Adhika in for your Super 6.